why you're a goalie. Just saying. That's why we leave you in the net. You're supposed to be on the other side. Center it. Go.
Open the tire to right half.
Come on, Jeff!
He's a good goalie. Yeah.
That's Jeff.
In the box. I got the power.
Just dump it.
He refuses to teach us it's like, well, half the class is parallel engineering, so screw you. But you already did it in, well, mostly. But this is in terms of static equilibrium. Like, well, we can go over this in 2100. Or like bending moments and bending stresses due to bending, stuff like that. Joe just to our homework regarding it.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
Kind of make it look a little better. He just stands down there. Get it to him normally one on one.
Oh, Jeff sucks.
Him and Rob, that's probably missing.
Come on, Bones!
Halfway through the season when they're keep it.
First time you've ever said that, isn't it? Yeah, I know.
So he moved to offense. Plus
Relish the moment.
Plus we had 2 full.
It also looks like the snow is really slowing the ball.
I mean,
Act like you're not going to be able to take a touch and let it roll for a bit.
I actually have a pretty good relationship with everyone on the ice right now. Everyone.
Both sides?
No. Just Bones.
Oh. Alright, baby.
It's like I'm on good standing with all of the Bones on the ice right now. Actually, and all the Bones off the ice, I don't know.
Jeff, what are you waiting? What are you doing?
Then I question that.
No standing is better than bad standing.
I like how you're mocking the game and it still works. Nice job, Amber. Get it forward, JT. Go forward. No. Give him the shot. Help her out.
Goals, Lucas says.
Put him back in that. I'm bored.
Lucas just scored.
Yeah. It went hit the back of hit the top bar. Came down, hit the back.
You've been folded off the other.
Oh, he pulled a sunshine.
Call the goal.
He's not listening to me, Ty. Then pick him up and carry.
You can't call the punches on the goal.
Go left.
Don't really have enough people yet.
That's right.
Point.
There by here.
Play.
Technically, we have minimum. We have 4.
No, there's a lot of wind in my face. I guess I can't catch with my face.
Off the right? No, not
Right. I did try. Our left.
Here's something up.
Left.
That works too. There's something.
Yeah. Now we get it to Lucas.
I'll put some pants on before you go.
Snow's slowing the ball down.
Off the board.
Well, the players are ball.
Time.
Yeah, I really like the ice. Really nice.
JT.
It's almost like D-ice.
No,
it's better. I guess because D
slick. It's slick.
Yeah, D-ice
is a little choppy.
like a lot of the games that we played this year had well, we do tend to get a lot of snow around here. It is the tendency.
I mean, with the exception of the ice over there, the ice has actually been pretty consistent this year. As opposed to the last years.
Yeah, no, the ice over the city.
Oh, God.
Very, very severely.
Like running up hill on ice.
On a day like this, it's passable because you could walk up it. You could walk up the course there.
You know that the Broomball website now has stats every year?
Yeah, well, mostly just last year.
Right. What are you doing? And they're trying to get 05.
Have a shot?
Yeah, that's alright. I didn't have any stats in 05. Didn't even have a penalty.
That's just the defenseman. Alright, we have a set. Yeah.
If you could make in front of the goal, that'd be super. Yeah, well, you know, for super.
Offense, so when you're ready.
Because that cost us $1. Down the rate. Just give it a hey time or give it a shot clear or subtlety. That's typically what I do for subtlety. Clear or time. Yeah. What? You have time. I don't give you a man or man on. Either
I am sucking
something or clear. Sometimes I'll say hard on, but that's mostly because I'm like, oh, breakaway! Oh!
I stopped it!
If they're coming on, right here. If they're coming on fast, yeah, I'll say hard on. I should say on, but.
Fire breathing kittens are running their fire.
That's good. I don't think that's surprising. No.
Time, Russ?
That was the 14.
Good.
No, that was 12. 14 was somebody else. Hacksaw.
Yeah, Hacksaw. That was a horrible game.
Quick, there's only 20
Dark Hill's going to be a bad one, too.
less than that now. Well, I know. Four. I have to relay back to base all I know. Come on.
They're playing 500 right now, so they're not too bad.
No, but they